Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. Did you know Shiba coin price is going to be a high in future? So that's why I am bringing new Shiba coin earning website. We will run this website in Termux and earn unlimited Shiba coin, which you can get instant withdraw in your wallet and hold it your Shiba coin. In future their price will be high and you can make a huge profit from Shiba coin. Okay, so this website going to be a high paying, so don't skip video, that's why you can't understand and you can get error. So let's move to our video. First off, you have subscribed website link which given description, you can directly go from there. Okay, so here you can see the interface of this website. You will directly direct to here, okay, on this website. Okay, this is the interface of this website. You can check out. You can earn money by watching YouTube videos on this website, but don't worry, we will run this website in Termux. You don't have need to do anything like this. Multiple stream earnings, quick payout and fully secured. You can check out. Okay, this website is really paid to many users. So first off, you have need to create account. So just click on get started to create your account. Okay, you can create account by only your Gmail. Okay, just click on get started. It will redirect to your sign in page like this. It going to the register page. Okay, so just click on sign in with Google. Okay, it will redirect to your Google account. So select any one Gmail on which you want to create account. Okay, just select it. Okay, it's redirect to my dashboard. There is some bug, don't worry, just click on later. Okay, like this. Here you can see my earning 4,785 Shiba coin, which I totally earned from Termux. You can also earn unlimited through Termux as well. Okay, this website show you the videos and it will pay you Shiba coin like this. I earned many Shiba coin by watching videos through Termux. Okay, I didn't watch manually, I watched through Termux. You can check out recent activity as well. Okay, so how you can earn from this website. So first of all, I will show their earning method and withdrawal method, then I will describe how you can run this website in Termux. Okay, so just click on menu bar. Here you can see the task option, so just click on task. Here you can see video ads, so it will pay you on watching video ads. Okay, but don't worry, you don't have need to watch manual. We will run this in Termux like this. I already watched yesterday. It will be updated after 24 hours. Okay, it's still not updated in my account, but I already watched from Termux. Okay, now here you can see the withdraw button. So how you can get withdraw, just click on withdraw button. Okay, here you can see withdrawal. So how you can get withdraw, so just provide here your total Shiba coin which you have available. Okay, so minimum withdrawal is 10,000 Shiba coin. Okay, don't worry, you will earn within a 2 days. Okay, it's depend on your video capacity, how much video available in your account. Okay, it's depend on your video capacity, how much it pay and how much it available in your account. Okay, so minimum withdrawal is 10,000 Shiba coins. So just provide here your total amount. Don't worry, you will earn within 2 days. Then just select here withdrawal type. Okay, so what is the type? Here you can see direct referral balance, indirect referral balance, activities balance. So just select activities balance because it's activity. Okay, then just provide here your wallet address. Okay, here you can see you are eligible to withdrawal. Okay, just click on OK. Now I don't have available payment. Okay, 10,000. Then just provide a withdrawal wallet and just click on proceed. It will be directly sent in your account, instant payout. Now I don't have available 10,000. When it will be 10,000, I will show you on my Telegram channel and YouTube community tab as well. So must subscribe it and press the bell icon to get all latest notification. Okay, so this is the withdrawal option I showed. So now how you can run this website in Termux. Okay, to run this website in Termux, you have required just script file directly link given description. You can directly go from there. You will redirect to article. In article you will see script button in red words. So just click on script. Script will be download. After downloading script file, open your any Explorer APK which you use. Then go to the download folder where you download your script file. Okay, here you can see script file and the format. First off, you have need to unzip it. Okay, so long press on the script file, then click on more and click on extract. Now click on OK. If your file is successful, then open on the folder. Then long press on folder, click on more and click on properties. Now click on copy full path. Okay, script location copied successfully. Go back and open Termux. So if you're a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on my Telegram channel. You can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll provide it there. If you don't know how to install basic command, video link given description. Fully guided in this video. You can check out. After installing basic commands, continue your process by following my method. CD space paste script location. Then just press enter. Then type ls. Enter. Then type php space bot.php. Then just press enter. Okay. So now here you have got password. Don't worry, password link also provided in description. You can directly go from there. In article you will see password button. Just click on it. You will get your password. Our password will be expired. Don't worry, copy this address and short it in your browser. You will also get your password. Okay, paste your password and just press enter. Okay, so now here we have required website user agent and cookies. So we'll capture from HTTP canary. So go back and open your HTTP canary, or if you can capture from QB browser. If you don't know how to capture from QB browser, you can check out my previous video as well. I already told how you can capture cookies from Cookie Master. Okay, so here you can see first of all link your web browser which you use in QB browser. Then if you're new user using Canary first time, install here certificate from setting. If you don't know how to install, video link in the description, you can check out. Okay, then just click on start and go to the website. Just reload your website. Mainly HTTP Canary not work up to Android 10 version, so you can use QB browser. Don't worry, it's easy to capture cookies in QB browser as well. Okay, so just reload your browser. It will capture dashboard cookies. Okay, reload getting time. Okay, here you can see reload is completed. Now all cookies captured successfully. Now just open Canary. Open, then stop Canary. Click on three dots. Then click on filter. Now go to the server host. Then find here CoinTube. Okay, just check it. Then go back again back. Okay, so find here your dashboard file. So just scroll down in the bottom. You will see your dashboard file as well. Here you can see CoinTube user/dashboard. Okay, so just open that file and just slide right. Here you can see user agent. Just long press on user agent. You can copy it back to the Termux. Paste your user agent. Press enter. Then here we have required cookies. Go back to the Canary. Slide left. Here you can see the cookies. Just long press on cookies. Please copy it back to the Termux. Paste here cookies. Then just press enter. Okay, so now here you can see script is started and my account is also connected. You can check out everything. Here you can see no more videos to view, come back tomorrow. It means I already claimed from this script. Don't worry, your script will be run smoothly. My script is not running because I already claimed my reward. It will add new reward after 24 hours. Okay, so here you can see script is working successfully. If you want to watch more videos like this and Termux scripts website use, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.